Good morning, students. Today we are going to see presentation skills. Presentation skills can be defined as a set of abilities that enable an individual to interact with the audience, transmit the message with clarity, engage the audience in the presentation, and interpret, understand the mindsets of the listeners. Today's world, presentation skills are required in almost every field. This is because they play an important role in convincing the clients and customers. Whether you are a student, administrator, or sales manager, if you wish to start up your own business, apply or stand for the post during election, you may ask to make a presentation. Why do we need good presentation? The good presentation help an individual in enhancing his own growth and opportunities. In addition, it grooms the personality of the presenter and elevates the level and elevates its levels of confidence. It is essential for the business professionals to understand the audience. Good presentation skills enable an individual to mold his message according to the traits of the audience. This lead transmit the message successfully to the audience. Having good presentation skills not only increases an individual's chances of success but give good fame from the working place. How to improve presentation skills? Development of good presentation skills requires efforts and hard work. To improve presentation skills, one must follow certain things. You have to do research the audience before presentation. Before any presentation, one must know the traits of the audience. You must know what your audience need. Structure your presentation effectively. The best way to telling the audience about your content in the introduction, follow this by presenting the idea and finish off the presentation by repeating the main points. Do a lot of practice. Do rehearsal. But do not go for memorizing the presentation. Rehearsals reduce your anxiety and make you to look confident on the presentation day. Anyone can give a speech. Not everyone can give an effective speech. A successful presentation can capture the audience attention to easily communicate all the necessary information. To give an effective speech, one has to follow important elements. Preparation. You don't want to go into a presentation unprepared. Spend time for collecting information and put it together. Practice until you are familiar with that content. Practice makes perfect and never give up on it. Use use a audio recorder or video record and mobile phone, and it will help you to get an accurate picture of how you speak. Practice the opening of your speech and plan exactly how you will say it. The audience will judge you in the first 30 seconds they see you. Then you have to know who your audience are. Research your audience well beforehand if you can, and always ask questions about themselves before you start the presentation. You may need to talk more slowly than normal and put plenty of pauses into your talk. Use personal examples and stories in your speech whenever possible. To stay relaxed, you should be prepared. Focus on your message and not the audience. Then your body language and dress. Body language plays a vital role in any presentation. Eye contact is a non-verbal communication. It is important to have an eye contact with your audience. Don't distract your audience by repetitive gestures. Maintain hand movements wherever you need. Dress smartly and it should be professional touch. Learn your voice. Make your voice interesting by delivering key words or sentences and varying the volume and pitch. Speak clearly and slowly and maintain pause wherever you need. The visual aid you use. Allow your audience to read each slide before you start talking about it. The pictures can speak a lot, so use visual aids to make your presentation effectively. Feedback. It is interesting to ask questions at the end of the session so that one can interact with the audience and know the feedback. And finally, relax. Enjoy yourself and be yourself. Thank you, students.